Hello, everybody. Today I wanted to speak about tarot cards. So, what are tarot cards? Tarot cards are a bunch of 78 cards, um, which is a tool to connect with your subconscious, connect with your third eye, and help you in divining messages. Okay, by saying divining messages, I mean to say that you can um, connect with the divine energies and draw messages. Okay, um, tarot cards are depiction of various stages of life, various circumstances of human life, various um, layers of human life, of human emotions, of human circumstances. And together, all these cards in a combination can predict and depict several other uh, pictures, can paint several other pictures. It's like two and two become four, or two and three. When you add two and three, it becomes five. So the energies of 2 and 3 are very different, but when you add them as a combination, the energy is different. It's 5, and it's very different from the energy of 2 and 3. Likewise, when you combine them together, when you read them together, 2 and 3, it's 23. And it's very, very different from the energy of 2 and 3. I hope I'm making it clear enough for you to understand how tarot cards work. So, out of these 78 cards, when you read each card, okay, for example, you see the Magician card and the Two of Pentacles card. Both these cards mean very different, but when you combine them, the meaning is different. And when you read them together, in on a context, the meaning is very different. Okay, so tarot cards have a huge gamut of possibilities of predicting future because they cover exactly everything under the roof as what all we go through as a human experience on this planet Earth. Okay, so that is what I wanted to tell you about this short introduction about what is tarot reading and how does tarot reading work. Okay, in my upcoming videos, I'm going to talk about uh, what are these cards in detail. Okay, so I'm going to cover part by part the first main cards, the major arcana, and henceforth I'm going to cover the different suits in tarot. There are different suits. Okay, there are four different suits in the tarot card, and they are based on the elements of nature, which is fire, water, earth, and air. Okay, and the major arcana is known to be spirit, so that has a set of 22 cards, and the rest of the four suits have 14 cards each. So that is the entire suit that makes the total bunch of 78 cards. So in the upcoming videos, I'm going to talk about each of these cards in detail. What do they mean in different aspects of your life? What do they mean in your love aspect, in career, in health, in spirituality, or how do they, how do these energies come up in your life as a day-to-day energy? Okay, what are the experiential meanings of these cards? So that is very important to relate to when you're starting to learn tarot. Okay, I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, you can join the membership on my channel, and you can get access. When you join the membership, you can get access to all these teachings that I'm going to record in the subsequent videos, and you can get access to them. So I will see you in our next video, and till then, take care. Bye bye.